Want to fend off breakfast boredom and lose some pounds? We've rounded up a week's worth of ideas for your AM meals. 1. Grapefruit. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 8 grams fiber, per 1/2 cup, 1 gram. 2. Berries. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 3 to 7 grams fiber, per 1/2 cup, 2 to 4 grams. 3. Tart cherries. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 6.5 grams fiber, per 1/2 cup, 1.25 grams. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 7 grams fiber, per 1/2 cup, 2 grams. 5. Bell peppers. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 1 gram fiber, per 1/2 cup, 0.8 grams. 6. Jalapenos. Sugar, per pepper, 0.6 grams fiber, per pepper, 0.4 grams. 7. Broccoli. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 1 gram fiber, per 1/2 cup, 1 gram. 8. Watermelon. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 5 grams fiber, per 1/2 cup, 5 grams. 9. Spinach. Sugar, per 1/2 cup, 1 gram fiber, per 1/2 cup, 2 grams. 10. Avocados. Sugar, per 1/4 fruit, 0.33 grams fiber, per 1/4 fruit, 3.5 grams. 11. Bananas. Sugar, per fruit, 14 grams fiber, per fruit, 3 grams. 12. Apples. Sugar, per medium fruit, 19 grams fiber, per medium fruit, 4.4 grams.
If you get satisfied by watching this video, then must share with your friends, like, and subscribe for more healthy pro tips. You can give your opinion, or have any question, then comment below in the comment box.